Nature is amazing. When you look properly, you can see the things. I was watching this Atapetia plant, and then I saw actually two little flowers are coming. And then when I had a close look, I had another surprise. So this little grasshopper here, he has made his home on this Atapetia tree. So you can see him, and he's doing hide and seek with us, because when I move, he's moving to the other side. You can see the golden antenna on the head, and then he's happily living there. So he's a very useful animal, and sometimes he might eat our leaves, but it's not a big damage. But at the same time, he's helping us to control the pest, and it is another being on our Metta garden. So to enjoy your garden, you can really look at the things, and then you will discover new the members of our Metta garden, and it is giving you mental happiness.